I guess we can get started. Why not? How y'all doing? Welcome to another stream chat. Today is Sunday. It is Pi Day. Um, and welcome back. I don't know, three stream days in a row. What are you doing, Anthony? Losing your mind. Um, but the reason that I decided I wanted to stream today is I for whatever reason this morning was like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna release Pie Flakes, and then I was like, well, I might as well release Pie Code Style too. And well, if I'm gonna release both those, I might as well release Flake8. So we're here. The plan for this stream is to get one thing done, which is to release Flake8. Um, the releases are usually a fucking pain in the ass, a lot of tedium. So I'm hoping chat keeps it entertaining and we get some good some good just chatting while I work through that. But yeah, hopefully you all are doing well today. Let me say hi to everyone. James Boyan was first today. How you doing? Ethan Typing's here. Phonic with the Love Peak L. 3 days, 3 streams. Indeed. Sarcastic Dante, it's good to see you. JB Pratt is here. Roller says, "What is this? What that is this? What that is this?" Um, wait. I'm confused. I assume that's a typo. We're here for another stream. Oh, are you wondering what this is? Oh, I was recording some videos right before this. This one is about a little teeny Easter egg in only in Python 3.9, which is this bad boy. Syntax error. You found it. You found the bug or the egg or whatever you want to call it. 12 a.m. loving this EU friendly hour. Yeah, it's a little late. A little late for Europe. Sorry about that. Um, but yeah, I didn't really plan this. I was just like, well, fuck it. Might as well record. I'm gonna do some programming for a couple hours, so might as well stream it, right? So yeah, that's why we're here. Okay, but yeah, what we're gonna be working on today is in Flake8. Do I have it cloned? I do not. That's GitHub. No, not GitHub. GitLab, the shittier version. GitLab, HiCQA, Flake8. And we have a few things that we have to do today. Actually, I want to do one thing first, which is clean up the declarative metadata here. Hmm. I was gonna use setup CFG format for that, but that's gonna kill the comments. So maybe we run setup CFG format and then put the comments back? Yeah, I think we'll do that. Still love every minute of it. Nice. The on the server. How's it going? My benchmark day is over. Great that you're streaming. Indeed. I saw your graphs on the Dick sword. They looked pretty cool. They looked pretty cool. Okay, so let's actually run setup CFG format on this and see what it does. Virtual M. Yeah. Pip install setup CFG FIMPT. Has to build edit distance from source. Yeah. Makes me want to fork that. I wonder how much work that would be. Edit distance. Because it seems like this is... Well, it was released in last year. Oh, wait, no. Right. Last year was 2020. It hasn't been released in a while. It also hasn't seen a commit in a while. Optimize the dynamic programming method. Uh. Uh. Um, can it install? Can it install? Can it install? Support for 3.8. Yeah. Something tells me this is kind of dead. 5 issues? What the fuck? Oh, does it have some wheels on PyPI? Edit distance. Oh, and it's simple, not project. Simple. Oh, it does have wheels. Just not 3.8 plus. Fun. Great. Perfect. Last year, COVID reacts only, right? Pandemic is killer. Yeah, there's no fucking way this ever gets merged. So that thing's probably dead. But let's actually see what setup CFG format does here. Okay, so it moved this down, rearranged, reordered these. It removed 3.5, added 3.9. I think I'm gonna leave 3.5 for this release. We will not do that. It reordered that. Reordered that. I think some of these are nice changes. Oh, this is not what I want to do. Setup CFG FIMT. Shouldn't reorder this. It should keep it within those and not put PDS wheel above it. So let us see why that. Well, let's make a test for it first. Setup CFG format test. Should be a section ordering. Orders fields and sections. Yeah, let's do another one. PyTest dot RAM. I said I was just gonna work on flake8, but we're gonna work on this first. Universal equals true. Lowercase true, sure. True. Meet data. Do nicer says, who are you? I'm Anthony. I write the code. 3x faster is not the world, but 8 hours instead of 24 feels good for deciding 2 arguments. Yeah, that's pretty damn good. That's pretty damn good. Version equals, well, we don't actually care about that. We just do name equals package. And version equals 1.0. And we also had, what was it? Options dot packages dot find. And then where equals source. So that's our input. And our output, we should just move beatest wheel to the bottom. So down here and that. Orders sections, but knows about options. Orders sections. Options.packages.find. Okay, so that'll be our regression test there. Assuming that's filling. Damaniche says, OMG, the master Pythoner is streaming. It's true, it's true. Petition to rename to Anthony Just Chats. Also, we got a syntax error. I forgot a comma. Comma, chameleon. Too many commas somewhere. Right. This is not supposed to be there. Okay, so we should get a failing test. We do. We should be able to fix it by is this just wrong? Has this just been a typo for like fucking forever? I think this has just been a typo for literally forever. Let's see if I can find this string somewhere. I'm pretty sure I just made a mistake when I originally made this package, and it's been this way for years. Yeah, it's literally been this way for years. This is probably all just copy and pasting, or weird PHP code, or things that happen to match. It's weird that it matches this line exactly, but didn't highlight the whole thing. Okay, I'm literally the only person that has made this dumb mistake. Huh. Wild. Okay, well. Packages, not find. Weird that I ordered it in that order, but whatever. I guess that's probably the same order as the setup tools parameters. I'd vote for that, yeah. That should be ordering for packages, options, packages, fine. Fix Fix ordering of options.packages.find. Okay. Well, that's embarrassing. Yeah, that's been long. That's been wrong for so long. Options.sections.find. Since February of 20, 2-year-old bug. Amazing. I'm like really surprised that nobody noticed, but I guess that's maybe part of the point. Yeah. Anyway. Chameleon, says Dabinish. Indeed, indeed. My blue light filter literally makes Anthony wear green. Huh. Weird. This shirt is very blue. A wild Sunday stream, Pog. It's true, RKJ. How you doing? Good to see you. uh, Hawks, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Only here for 5. Already pretty late here. Sounds good. Sounds good. I'm glad you stopped by. Andrew Lane X, how you doing? Hello, hello. I guess I never really realized that that unicorn is waving. That's why it's called Pride Wave. Huh. I haven't been here in so long. It's true. It's true. It's good to see you though. How have you been? How have you been? How's it going? How's life? Truman Hawk says hello. Python newbie here. Well, welcome, welcome. Good to have you. We'll be writing a little bit of Python, although I think most of it's going to be looking at change sets and compiling docs, and I don't know. We'll see. Pretty good. That's good to hear. I'm doing all right. Just waiting on CI here. Gabernat, how's it going? Good to see you. I just found a microbug and set up CFG format, so we're taking a little bit of a detour. Oh, you're done. Why are you not green? Oh, you are green. Okay, cool. Let's release this thing first. What can you tell for... Let's see. Flake8 high test style. Oh, this is the decorator bullshit? Yeah. This is the function decorator ordering thing with the no QA position. The shitty thing is like I have no control over that because the AST just changed. And the thing is, it also just kind of goes away when 3.7 goes away. But yeah, this is a common problem. It's actually really annoying. Seems like a very weird a weird opinionated linting rule there. But yeah, it's because Python changed this. Can we dynamically fix this? Maybe? The thing is, I'm pretty sure the decorators lie about their AST positions. I think that's what happened in 3.8, fixed it. And the fixing of that is what broke stuff. Either I'm colorblind or my filter is doing its job too well. I think you're colorblind. This looks exactly the same to me. I think you might be colorblind. Just from the speed, I can tell I'm watching a pro. Kind of true, I guess, to some extent. Okay, anyway. Let's make a release here. Whoops, prune. This is technically a bug fix, but it also changes ordering. Oh. I think I'm gonna bump the, I think I'm gonna bump the minor version, anyway. 1.16.0, 1.17.0, 17.0. Do I not run this on itself? Don't. I guess that's fine. It commits dash mv1.17.0. Set up to pi sdist bdist wheel. Oh, I off my password manager. Good. Fine. Upload. Okay. 117. Let me get my PyBI password. Paste. Get push short and head. Thanks. My filter is making it through the screenshot. Oh, I see. Snipping tool ignores the filter. I see. DDels says you should bump the super major version. It's the invisible one before the one that you see. I'm not crazy, YouTube. Okay, yeah. This is very green. That's very green. That's fair. That's green. I agree. Yes. Are you using RTX voice? I am, although there's no construction today. So I'm going to turn it off. Now we just have normal voice. But yes. I guess that's the default, so that's why I got left out. I don't think any of these changes are worth committing. I'm just going to leave them. For now, I'll do it some other day. We've got another Quaternion. Quaternioneer. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Now clack your keyboard. Like that? Is that some keyboard clacks for you there, Andrew Lane X? Does that get your jimmies? Rustle your jimmies, is that the word? I don't know. Or is rustling jimmies a negative thing? Okay, so what we need to do here is we need to add 3.9, and we're still supporting 2.7 for one final release before I drop it on the floor because fuck Python 2. But that looks good. Okay, so now we gotta do all the other shit as part of releasing. Sorry. Docs. There's like a whole thing that tells me how to do this because it's internal releases. Here we go. There's not much that is hard to find about how flake8 is released. I didn't write this, so that's why it's a little bit interesting. Ciao, Papaya! Hello, hello. Good to see you. You've been here before, right? Welcome back. It's good to see you. Blah, blah, blah. Minor release is what we're doing today. Blah, blah, blah. Process. Here we go. Create a file in docs source release named release number.rst. Oh, God, I hate RST. Oh, how I hate RST. Okay, so what I'm going to do is docs source release notes. Oh, this is not the right thing. Should say release notes. Oh, now I gotta reflow all this text. Okay, I don't know how that's wrong now. Docs source release notes 3.8.0. We're gonna copy that to 3.9. Docs source release notes 3.9.0. Slightly less than a year. 3.9. Get that. Get lab. Now I gotta go through all of the change sets here. Let's see. Milestones 3.9. Oh, I gotta go through and remark all the shit too. Ugh. Oh my god, there was so much that got released then. 3.9 milestone. A lot of changes went into 3.9. Okay, so remove this, remove this. Oh, this is because I did all the alpha releases in here as well. We're not going to do alpha releases this time. We are just going to, and we're going to put you up at the top. I'm actually going to leave these messages because they will be easy to update. Features. I'm gonna leave one of these just so I know how to copy paste. I don't think I have any deprecations for this one. But 4.0 will be removing a lot. Did I put 2020? God damn it. Thank you, Drew. Good call there. This is what chat's here for. Proofreading my fuck ups. I'm actually just going to get show name only 3.8.0. That will help me figure this out as well. Like, that's not right. Okay, that looks more like it. So we should put a 3.9.0 there. We need to change the version in here to 9.0. Thanks, still 2020, yeah. Just change the date to 2023, 379. Yeah, exactly, details. That is pretty accurate. Gotta go now. Well, thank you for stopping by, RKJ. I'll see you around. Okay, so now we gotta do get log one line first parents decorate to find all the changes. Actually, there have not been that many, so that is good. That's pretty good. No show source. Okay, so that'll be our first one to get in here. I love when people do responsive like really fucked up wrong, where like text goes out of the boxes, or you get like one character per line. It's wonderful. Is this flake8 3.9 or Python 3.9? Yes. The answer is yes. Yeah, unintentionally the same. Though the next release after this will be 4.0. Yeah, it's a wild coincidence there. Okay, so 441. Okay, so that is already there. Features. And let's actually get rid of most of these. And we'll include those. Do I have these backwards? I do. I have these backwards. Oh my god. These have just been wrong this whole time. Ah. Yeah, whatever. 441. I gotta change this to 441. And then add no show source option. I wonder if I can do option no show source. I think I probably can, but we're gonna err on the side of caution for this. Oops, don't want to do that. To disable show source. See also GitLab 441. I'm gonna leave this here. We'll edit it as it goes. Okay, so that's the first one. This commit. Show this. Oh yeah, it's after 3.9 goes 4.0. Yeah, so I was actually thinking about this morning. I couldn't think of a clever way to put it in a tweet, which is like, if you bump from 3.9 to 4.0, how do you convince people that you know that you're doing semantic version properly? Because they might just be like, is this actually a major version bump or not? But the next release will be a major version bump after, or the next. I guess there might be some bug fix patches to 3.9. But 4.0, I'm going to be dropping Python 2. So, yeah. 457. Yeah. I guess that would be a deprecations. Drop support for Python 3.4. See also GitLab bang 457. Ooh. 457. Hate how many times I have to put that thing there. GitHub, it's just automatic, which is kind of nice. Okay, so that's that one out of the way. Patch-1. I wonder what this one is. Fix typos. Yeah, I don't care about that one. Not worth in the release notes. Oh, maybe I should. Well, we'll at least include it in the milestone. How do I do that? Labels, time tracking. Oh, I'm not logged in. I'm not logged in. Alpha HSL says, thoughts on GitLab compared to GitHub? I fucking hate GitLab. You know, every time I use it is pain. And it seems like the only good features, they just break them repeatedly. It's really obnoxious. Like, they have this auto-merge feature that used to work, and now it just doesn't work. I'll show you an example. I tried to auto-merge a pull request earlier today, and it was just like, haha, nope, you removed it, even though I didn't do any of it. This one. Yeah, so I clicked auto-merge, and where's the little thing down here? Enabled automatic add to merge train when the pipeline succeeds. And then started a merge train? Like, don't even get me started on this terminology here, which is gives me the heebie-jeebies. And then remove this merge request from a merge train because no stages/jobs for this pipeline. What the fuck does this mean? I don't give a shit. Just merge my goddamn PR. That's the only thing that I want out of this. Why do I have to have a stages jobs pipeline garbage? And I do have stages and jobs. That's what this shit is up here. This is the test stage. This is the build stage. This is the external stage. Like, fucking GitLab. Okay, but anyway, 455. Yeah, there's the milestone. Good. Pelopaz, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I see you forgot to add the invisible merge phase. Right? What? How is this shit supposed to work? Remove flake8 colors. Fuck flake8 colors. Broken ass plugin. So I mean, this is a good one. Why did GitHub add // to the URLs? I don't know. That makes no goddamn sense either. The old URLs don't have it either. And for a while they weren't redirecting. So it was just like, oh, guess what? Every single one of your links suddenly just gone. But anyway, I made this issue back in November. So if I try and run flake8 colors on this with a format, you'll get this. And it prints out, the code. So this is a format set that says just print out the code. But if I pipe it to cat, suddenly it breaks it for some reason. This is entirely due to flake8 colors. And one of the maintainer people was like, could you clarify? Are you sure your formatting is right? And I'm like, yes. I maintain this thing. Like, and then this guy commented with their like weird anti-aliased thing here. Oh look, someone else ran into this as well. Thief Master. But yeah, fuck this plugin. But we will add it to the milestone because it is technically part of this. Why does flake8 use GitLab? That predates me. I'm actually going to talk to the other maintainer about moving back to GitHub because GitLab has gotten shitty for a number of other reasons. Like it's really slow to run CI now, and a lot of tools just like don't work with it, and their UI is horribly clunky. I imagine the original reason is to not centralize on a particular service. But yeah. What about issues slash bridge requests? Yeah, if any issues are in 3.9, I will add them with milestones, but I haven't run into any issues yet. The numbering on issues and merge requests is kind of weird too for GitLab. I don't really like that. Like there are two things that are 460. Oh, you mean about moving to GitHub? I'll probably just run an import script. I'll probably close all PRs and import all the issues, which isn't a huge deal. And then I'll mirror the repository so it'll still show up on GitLab. I mean, you can't import issues, but you can write a script to do it. Rambo Sweets, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I've actually already done this once, although that was Bitbucket to GitHub, so same idea. But yeah, you run a script, you try and match up the usernames against the old username and the new username, and you just create a bunch of issues using a bot and reference the old ones. What does that mean? Which thing? The mirror? Just so that the right now there's a mirror the other direction, and so I'd just be changing the mirror. So if you go to GitHub PyCQA flake8, you'll see there's a git mirror. We are now time boxed because in about an hour. No importing issues, but you already answered. Oh, I see. Rainbow Sweet says, "Sup, dude? Hello. Your mic is broken. What do you mean my mic is broken? My mic's fine. My keyboard is broken. Yeah, my keyboard is broken. I was gonna say my mic's fine. I've noticed that GitLab goes down 5 times a week. 3 to 5 times being CI issues to me. That has to do it. Well, and that's all the more reason to not be on GitLab. And GitHub's had a few outages as well. Like no service is perfect, and that's just how things go. The Quiet Man, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Okay, so that's that one. We don't have to document that. Fix linters. I think this is just me upgrading stuff. This is actually going to be a pretty lackluster release. Not all that much is going to go into this. 462. That's 461. We want 462, which we have to add the milestone. 390. Okay. Do I have to do anything else? Yeah. Okay. That's that one. CRLF standard N. This is actually a really hairy bug. Self-host GitLab. I don't really want to do that. I don't want to pay a hosting cost. I already spend enough money on open source and don't make enough money on open source to really rationalize that. Luke Smith did that. I didn't know why, but YouTube recommends. Did what? Did it self-hosted? 461. 461. Bleeding money again? I mean, I have a job right now, but it doesn't mean that my free time money is not bleeding. So, yeah. Fix handling of CRLF line endings when linting standard in. See also GitLab. Bang. What number are you? 461. Oh, did I do the issues for the other ones? 461. This also doesn't have issues attached to it, which is kind of interesting. 461, 441. This should have been under the features category. What am I doing? $457, have that as well. Cool. All right, so that just gets us down. Actually, this was a much easier release than the usual ones are. Much easier than usual, because now we're down to just the last two. 466. Milestone. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, milestone. 39. 466. 230240. 466. Okay. And this one should be just 467, I think. Probably jump the gun here a little bit. 467. 467. Right. 467. Okay, we gotta also set the milestone over here. Shame that the milestone couldn't be /39. Is it /38? It is. That's pretty funny. Yeah. It's just the way things go, I guess. Milestone 39. Okay. I think that actually finishes this. It's fixed typo there. 390. It is 2021. You view that milestone on GitLab. 23 to 24, 27 to 28, 466, 47. Drop Python 3.4. No show source. Serial line endings when linting standard in. And then, oh, I forgot to delete this. We actually don't have any issue links this time. Log source release notes 3.9.0 issue links. Do I just leave it blank usually? And I just remove it. Sick. I got this one right. Weird. Tilky says, why do people go open source? Do you think you can't monetize it in some other way? I don't know how you would monetize free tools. I mean, I wish I could, but I don't know. I think there are other benefits to it. It definitely does not pay for itself in any way, shape, or form. Yeah, it gives me more, you know, clout and employability, but I don't think the incremental amount of salary that I've gotten from working on open source has come anywhere near to the amount of hours I put into it. Praise be when Frequency High takes off and we get full-time streamer. Yeah, that's the dream, James Boyan. That is the dream. However, I need GitHub to fucking +1 rubber stamp my shit so I can start making money off it. They haven't done that yet, though. Rainy day tomorrow. Hello, good to see you again. Welcome, welcome. I self-hosted GitLab many years ago, but it was such a terrible experience. Had switched to a regular GitLab for free private repos, but now I'd for sure just use GitHub since they have free private repos. Yeah, it's pretty nice. You could link to issue 690 Java support for old Python versions. So that's a different version. That's a different one. 690 is for the breaking change. For when I drop Python 2. This is for dropping Python 2. But yeah. So this is actually the next release because I lapsed a little bit on this. I was gonna make a release 5 months ago and then it didn't happen. So we're doing one last release with Python 2. Yeah. This is a neat chart that was generated. But I like how there's 312 on here. Like someone was just like, huh. Fucking wild. That's how long the 3.3s lived here. Well into 2018. Huh, weird. And green peeking up here is 3.9. Of course, this was at the end of 2020, so makes sense. But I think that's everything. Seems suspiciously less work than I expected. Oh, I guess I gotta run the winters. Pi27, Pi36, Pi38, sure, Pi, linters, dog food, docs. We're gonna run all these. I'm not gonna run Toxdashi release. I don't really like this rather do it myself. At least takes some of the control away. I don't actually use that tox endpoint. But now we run the test a bunch of times. We get to see really old PyTest output. This was back before the recoloring happens. About Pi 3.7, it doesn't really matter. I just pick some versions. I was gonna type 3.7, but I typoed and hit 3.8, so we got 3.8 instead. But it doesn't really matter. It doesn't super matter. Just wanted to run them and make sure that they work. Because the reason for this is because I'm pushing straight to master, so I'm not making a pull request from this. And so this is just make sure things still pass before you yeet it into prod, essentially. A little bit of a safety net. I could probably remove this. There's no way 305 and 523 are gonna resolve there. Ergo says yeet it into prod, love. Yeah. 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 So it's funny. It's amusing. To be fair, I'm being very careful about releasing this. I've done a lot of due diligence about this, you know, working on the latest versions and such. I'm not shooting from the hip, even if it may appear like that. And yeah, I don't know why I'm still testing PyPy 2. I should probably try PyPy 3 and see what happens there. And this is extremely slow because of two reasons. One is when coverage is enabled, PyPy doesn't know how to JIT the code, so this is the like pure interpretation mode of PyPy. So it's like 6 times slower than normal CPython. But that's just because, you know, you turn the JIT off, and of course it's gonna be slow. And the reason that happens is because coverage injects bytecode in between every execution and causes things to fail in that way, or causes things to slow down in that way. That's weird. Why was there an XPass function here? Test unit, test utils. What is the X fail in here? Huh. Oh. Yeah. This test fails, or this test passes in Python 2, but it's marked as X fail. And the reason it passes in Python 2 is due to squishy string types. So this is going to be text, and this is going to be bytes, unless there's Unicode literals at the top of this file. Yeah, so this is text, and this is bytes, and so this succeeds in Python 2, but for the wrong reasons. It's fine, I'm deleting those tests, so I don't really care. Build in docs. Alright, everything is green. What is the tag format for this? Okay, so commit message is release 3.8. Tag does not have a V on it. Release 3.9.0. And then I'm going to let my Pi run. Get tag 3.9.0. Get tag. We got a GPG sign it. Stupid GPG. Release 3.9.0. Oh. I'm surprised that this does not trigger the syntax highlighting. Or the git syntax highlighting. I'll fix that at some point. Because I would expect these to be commented or highlighted as comments. Release 3.9.0. I gotta get my GPG password. GPG. Copy the password. Not gonna save that one because I usually don't want it to do that. All right, I think that's it. Make the source distribution and wheel. Short password. It's like 12 characters or 13 characters or something like that. This is from my older password generation, so it's Not my usual 20 characters. Does anyone... Is there a way to change the GPG key password? Change GPG key passphrase. Oh, I see. You can just do this and get a new one. Cool. Well, I'll do that at some point. You need 100 plus? That's super overkill. What's up, Mahamdi? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Okay, so now I need to twine upload PyPI. These? I think this is right. Oh, I always get so nervous when I do this. I don't know why. On projects that aren't mine. On my own projects, like, I have my own... I know how I release. I do the same thing every time. This one, it's ever so slightly different. But I think this is fine. So we push the button. And then I get the PyPI password. Copy and paste. And copy and enter. And then we push the tags. And that's it. And this is going to cause so many pre-commit CI runs on Monday. It's going to be great. But anyway, there's flake839. I watched your video about the new Python match. What did you think, Mahamdi? That video was long. there's a lot of content in that one. The match statement, this one. It's like a 30-minute video. Yeah, 30 minutes, 11 seconds. But yeah, there was a lot going on in that video. Look at this one dislike. Fuck you, one person. It's probably just like, oh, this syntax is shitty. I got a lot of comments here. I don't know what this says. Does anyone speak? This looks like Spanish. Help with the single archive that has all of the archives of 100 modules. I don't know, my Spanish is real bad. What does this say? Manijo. It helps to make a single file inherit all files from 100 modules. Like, I have 100 modules that only change the user's password and email, the rest is the same, so I need to change something in one module. I have to do it in all the others, you know? I tried def and it didn't work because I didn't use class help if possible. Is it Portuguese? Oh, it is Portuguese. It does say Portuguese, yeah. I see it detected it. Maninho means dude. Huh. Dude! Dude, it helps to make a single file inherit all the files from 100 modules! Like, man, if I have 100... Yeah. He's asking for help, not giving you a tip. Yeah, I see. I don't know what they're asking, because the translation doesn't seem good. I think they're asking, like, how do I refactor a bunch of things that are similar? Maybe? Let me read. Just give me a sec. Okay, cool. Dude! Help me with my code, man! Could you imagine? You got a code review comments like, dude, bro! Can you help me ship this? This code is super radical, man! I can't understand him? Perfect! Well, we tried. Even though I know Portuguese, rip. We tried. Sorry, dude. Sorry, Maninho. That's all good. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. All right. I guess all that's left here is to tweet this. Oh my god, this is gonna be such a short stream. I kind of feel bad. Maybe we'll do something else. Although Juice is gonna be over in... Oh, I got like 40 minutes. Please ensure your account's recovery settings are up to date. Yeah. Just respond. What is this? What does this mean? I see dude in there. Why is it defaulting to Dutch? Unfortunately, I didn't understand the question, bro. What is ABS? Oh, I don't want to copy that one. What is abs? Abs equals hugs. Wait, we want Dutch? Alright. Whoa, Chad Dev. Thank you for the raid. Welcome to the stream, raiders. How you doing today? What were you working on? What were you working on this fine Sunday? This is a weird stream day for me, so I guess I should intro myself, talk a little bit about who I am. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on a lot of Python stuff. Today we just finished releasing flake8, which is a very popular linter framework in Python. I maintain a bunch of other important stuff in Python, so if you've heard of PyTest or Tox or PyFlakes or PyCodeStyle or Precommit or PyUpgrade or Dead Snakes or a whole bunch of stuff like that. Yeah, I maintain those, and I like working on open source, so that's what we're working on today. Slot Loader, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Engel says, in Portuguese too, the automatic translation was not that bad. Still didn't understand again. Oh well, that happens. 6:34, here we go. Xavier Igor, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. From my Twitch chat. Sorry, I don't understand what you're asking. Translation via my Twitch chat. Sorry, I don't understand what you're asking. don't know what you're saying, bro. But welcome. We wrote an Amazon product price scanner tool here for deals. Oh, that's cool. Did you use like Lambda or some automated stuff to do that? That sounds fun. Mid 2000s dad vibes. Such a good name. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Xavier Igor says, damn, good stuff. Do you memorize peps? I have a few of them memorized. Like the worst pep of all time is pep 3333. This one is literally the worst. Did you write a lambda that writes a lambda? Yeah. This is, I think, one of the dumbest peps that has been added to Python. This is the Python 3 version of the WSGI reference pep. And this introduces a new type of string, which is mojibaki by definition. They are called Unicode byte strings, I think they call it in here. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. WSGI therefore defines two types of strings, native strings and byte strings. Don't be confused, however, even if Python's third type is actually Unicode under the hood, the content of native strings must be translatable to bytes via the Latin 1 encoding. So this is the definition of mojibake. So in order to actually deal with headers in Python 3 in web applications, you first need to take the text, encode it to bytes, then re-decode it using the encoding you care about. Instead of just like, if it were bytes to begin with, like you would do the translation yourself and everything would make sense. But unfortunately, this is super, what's the word? Anglo-centric, or as I like to call it, racist. Because it prioritizes, English-speaking ASCII character sets, ASCII-compatible character sets, instead of, UTF-8, which is the de facto international standard. But, that's the way things go. I have a Heroku scheduler that pings an API every hour. The API scrapes prices and does the heavy lifting. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. That sounds really cool. So I actually wrote a kind of neat scraper a couple streams ago using AWS Lambda. So the reason that I wrote this is there is this website. Just copy the URL from here, right? Yeah. There's this website for Pokemon raid battles, and these are like events that swap out every couple weeks. So the current event den is for March, which has these particular set of Pokemon in it. Whatever, I don't really care about that. But if we look at some of these, they have some Pokemon that are guaranteed to be shiny. So in this case, this Pikachu, so yeah, they're slightly different colored Pikachus. this one is guaranteed to be shiny here. And so what I wanted to do is, like, I don't really want to check this page every once in a while because it's kind of, you know, I don't ever remember to check, oh, I should check the raid battles and see if there is a shiny Pokemon. So what I did instead is I wrote this little scraper here, which what it does is it has a little state file, so it tries to remember what it looked at previously. Hey, what's up, Nick? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But then what it does is it loads that URL, it finds the drop down in there, so that's what this find select thing is here. It's a little recursive HTML parser using just the standard library. Basically, it has a little state machine that tries to find this select. The select is the drop down tag. And then it scrapes out the first URL of the first option that does not have no value, and so that's how it gets this here. And then if that page that it scraped is the same as the state page, so the one that we recorded up here, then it will just skip and not do anything else. Otherwise, it will load that page, try and find this text in it, which says whether there's a shiny lookup or not, or a shiny guaranteed or not. And in that case, it will send an email to me. Check out this hot new max raid battle. It has a shiny. But the really cool thing, or the really like wild thing about this scraper, is it's self-modifying. So the way it works is it's this zip file, and it actually sticks this state.txt file into itself, and then it overwrites itself. So this is its name in AWS. So instead of like paying for a database, I'm using the code itself as a database and just updating the code every time, which I thought was kind of clever and kind of like big brain, small brain sort of deal. Hey, what's up, Cyber Coretta? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Isn't Latin 1 more towards Roman languages? Not really. If you look at the character set in Latin 1 character set, it has a few accented characters, like all of these here, but it's you know, it's not a complete set of accented characters. And even with these accented characters, it's still Anglo-centric. Either it's code, look a bit into OS.replace versus OS.rename. Rename is for pretty much if you want to use Linux and say Windows. OS.replace just sets a flag for Windows. Yeah. Have I done a video on that yet? I feel like I have. I've at least given this advice to people before, so I might as well do that. Video idea OS.replace. Chad Dev says, gotta go catch some grub. Catch you later, Anthony. Well, thank you for stopping by, and thank you for the raid. Hopefully I'll see you around in the future. And yeah, have some good food. Latin alphabet number 1. Is there Latin 2? Latin 2 encoding. Oh, there is. Is this just CP1250? No. What the fuck? I don't know what code page. I don't know what this is. Weird. Anyway. Didn't mean to sound like you should do something. Sorry. Yeah, no problem. I mean, I like recording videos, and if it's a topic that I've explained before, so I think it's worth putting into a video so that if I have to explain it again, I can just be like, hey, look, I did this. Look at this video. Tired Sysadmin says, is that a Kinesis keyboard? How do you like it? I considered the Kinesis Advantage too, but it's a bit too pricey. Yes, this is the Freestyle Pro. Admittedly, I got this keyboard for free from Kinesis. They were like, oh, you have a keyboard cam? Here, have a free keyboard. Yeah, I don't know. I like it. It was really easy for me to adjust to. I have tried the Advantage 2, but I cheat when I type, and I use the arrow keys a lot, so it didn't really work out for me. But I tried that years ago, so I was just like, yeah, not an ad. But they're no longer paying me, so this is entirely just my own opinions. The thing with how I type is I don't suffer from ergonomic issues yet on typing on keyboards, even though I do it all day long because I'm a computer nerd. But you know, the position of my hands is much nicer. It does, like, I use a different keyboard for work, and that's a normal standard keyboard, and I do definitely feel like a little bit difference in, like, oh, I have to scrunch my hands together. Oh, like my hands keep running into each other. That's kind of weird. And I didn't really notice that before. But yeah, it's propped up on a 15-degree angle. Kind of hard to see that from the actual top-down keyboard cam. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. Latin 2 is 1252 with some byte changes. Oh, I see. I'm very familiar with 1252. 1252 is, it's basically, it's the full 1 byte character set minus like 4 characters or something like that. I don't remember. Looked all over the internet for a split keyboard with A30 and never found one. Interesting. Huh. Knights7 says, I have a 60% and having broken both wrists in the last 8 years, this fun-looking keyboard gets painful throughout the day. Oh man, a 60%. Oh, that's little itty-bitty keyboard. Yeah, that's unfortunate that you couldn't find another layout. There's a Microsoft one. Does the Microsoft one have more layouts? I assume they would, given they like mass-produce that thing. Dude Man says, I use the Kinesis 2, and the biggest problem with going back to standard keyboard is that I have backspace on my left thumb. Oh, so I hit the space bar, I'm trying to delete text. Oh, that's hilarious. Yeah, this has a set of macro keys. I haven't programmed any of them yet. I probably will at some point, but I've been too busy with literally everything else to do something there. That's a lot of work. Okay, but yeah, let me do little tweet about flake8 3.8 being released. Fixture Jake! Hello! Thank you for the resub at 9 months. That gets you a fancy new patch. Appreciate your continued support. Good to see you again. Which Microsoft keyboard? Split keyboard. I have one in my living room. This one. This keyboard. It's not a very expensive one. It's not a very good keyboard, but it is something. They have better models of it. But it's like a... Oh, this is weird. Huh. Anyway, I have this keyboard in my living room, so I'm gonna try it out. Work sent it to me, actually. Major Tech, bruh, and Hail the Robot, thank you both for the follow. Welcome. It seemed great. Minimal space taken on my desk that has great customizability opportunity, but it's so damn small. Yeah. My twin uses that one for work and seems to enjoy it. Oh, cool. Well, I'm gonna try this keyboard out pretty soon. I have it in a box. It just arrived like the other week. I think I'm gonna be worse at this keyboard. Honestly, I think I'm gonna be worse at this keyboard than this one here. Back to non-mechanical. No, I'm not gonna switch. I'm just gonna try it. Wait, keywords description A-wordy. What is A-wordy? That looks like QWERTY to me. It must just be a typo. But anyway, that might be something to look at if that's a possibility. Just arrived the other week. Yeah, last week. I just look. My life is a mess right now. I have been really bad about opening packages. I just happen to know that's what's in the package. Mark says, Azerty is overrated. Switching to QWERTY when attending university, never switch back. If you want one nonetheless, check splitkeyb.com and build your own. Oh yeah, building your own would be an idea. Ooh, building keyboards is so much fun. I gotta like not fall down the rabbit hole though of build all the keyboards. Okay, let's find the page. There should be, if I remember correctly, Read the Docs is like really shitty about updating here. Yeah, where's the, god damn it. Yeah, it's right there. Read the Docs is garbage. This is supposed to have updated, but for some reason it doesn't. So if I remember correctly, I'm gonna log in to Read the Docs now. And I'm gonna click a button. This page looks like it was written in like 2008. Oh. Oh yeah, we never actually set that up. Right. Where's the build now button? Build. That should hopefully get this updated here. Hopefully. We'll see. We will see. Yeah. Gustu says, "Hey Anthony, do you have any tips on how to start contributing to open source projects?" I do indeed. Check out this video. Because I get asked this quite a lot, so I put together a video. How do I get started in open source? Where I go over my advice there. The TLDR is like every project that you use probably has something that you can help with, and like getting started in that way can be really helpful, and working with maintainers to get something done. Just whatever your region uses, and said Belgian Flemish person that's stuck with a French layout. Oh, I see. Speaking language with weird characters is a pain for getting nice keywords. Yeah, that makes sense. Hey, what's up, Exonity? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Your primary email address is not verified. Oh. Yeah. Make sure that doesn't show any PII before I do that. Oh. It's my, like, garbage spam email. No wonder it's not verified. I don't really care. Not like verifying my email actually changes anything. It hasn't prevented me from doing anything here. The fuck is latex MKRC? Or I guess it's LaTeX. LaTeX? What the fuck? Why is it not built? God, I hate read the docs. Why is this so fucking garbage? Do I need to build 3.9? Do I need to build latest? What is latest even? What are you even? Is that what this is? Latest. I hate read the docs. I wish it would just work. Why can't things just work, right? I hate it, but you need those keys. Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense. That's the tech. Need to build master and latest most likely. Yeah. We'll see what happens after this runs. I just want something to link to in a tweet. I don't want to just be like, oh yeah, the docs are broken, lol. Good luck, have fun. It's good now? It doesn't seem to be good for me. Am I hitting like some sort of cache? Is this like Cloudflare? Curl -b this. Master's good for me, not latest. Okay, so maybe rebuilding master fixed that? Oh, look, this has 3.9 in it now. Sick! Sick! Okay. That was fucking stupid. Why not? 3 in one day. Flake8 3.9.0 has been released. Upgrade today. Boop. Whoa, Alexa, you changed your color. How's it going? Welcome back. You were, wait, no, you just don't have a color. Never mind. Never mind. You just don't have a color. I see. But it's good to see you. Welcome back. You're usually red on my screen, so for some reason you have changed to be pink now. Maybe Twitch's random thing forgets, or I don't know. Who knows? You can't make me upgrade to anything. It's fine. How do I change it? You can change it with /color in chat, which allows you to pick a set of colors. If you have Prime, which if you have Prime, you can sub to one streamer for free per month. Let me shill myself here. But with Prime, you can change it to any color. But with non-Prime, there's like I think 10 colors you can pick from, something like that. So you can do like /color red. So here I'll show you. If I do /color red and then I say hi, you'll see. Well, it takes a while to update, and then it's red. But I usually just do normal blue. And if you have Prime, which I do, you can do color I don't know, 1E77D3, which will update to a slightly different blue. This is actually Microsoft Blue. I don't know why I have that hex code memorized, but Microsoft Blue. Ah, and you're red now. Cool. You are now the canonical headcanon color. No hands out of my country? Ah, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's all good. But yeah, what else can I do? I guess we can review a pull request or two until Juice gets here. Slash Puppy gets here. Oh. Speaking of which. She's here. I'm gonna go help her out. I'll be right back. We've got a puppy! There's a puppy here! Oh! You're a stinky puppy. Look, Tofu's here. Bork, bork. How are you doing, Tofu? It's raining outside. But yeah, I figured I'd show you guys puppy. But then I'm probably gonna wrap up the stream for today. Oh! You don't like me talking. Okay, I'll go put Tofu back. Run. Go. Come on. Oh, you want to say hi? I know. Alright, you can sit there. But anyway, Tofu, be nice. Be a good little pupper. Sit down. Fuck you, I'm not gonna go down. Okay, but anyway, let me do my little spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel. Really quickly, check out my YouTube channel, previous streams, educational content. I normally only stream right now on Saturdays, but I also announce other miscellaneous streams on other days of the week. So stop by for those. Today was one of those kind of haphazard streams, and I announced those in two places. One of those is Twitter, twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I basically say, bonus stream, and then I do it. I also announce on the Discord. Please join the Discord. It's a cool group of people. Nice set of people. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask questions and stuff. And people will answer you there. There's some good memes, etc. But thank you all for stopping by. Let me go find someone to raid. Shh. Oh my god, so many people online today. Let us raid. What is Mitch working on? Python. We're gonna raid Mitch today. So go say hi, be nice, throw up your Python if you got it. And yeah, if I missed some of your questions, please re-ask them on the Discord. I will answer you there, but I gotta run. So thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you around in the future. Bye.